Hello and welcome back. In the short lecture, we will be learning how to delete a list of users, or you can call as a bulk user deletion directly from Azure portal. To delete the user accounts, a single user account can be deleted by selecting the user account, and then you can perform an action for delete. But what if you wanted to delete multiple user accounts and you can still do the delete? But what if you wanted to delete maybe a 50,000 users, or maybe 10,000 users, or 5,000 users? So it would be very hard in terms of selecting. So that's where it comes the bulk operation. So the bulk, if you just click on here, bulk, we did actually create a bulk user accounts in the previous demo, or one of the demo. So if you want to delete, you can go to bulk delete option, click on bulk delete, and download the sample file. So this sample file contains the UPN name of user accounts. So if I just maximize, you can see here the example is chris@contestore.com. So that means I need to give here the usernames of this. So what you can do is you can actually import the user accounts, like maybe bulk operation, and simply download users, so that you actually get the all the user accounts information that are part of your Azure AD. You can get the download file. If you try to download, you would be getting the sample file, which will have all the user accounts with their complete UPN name. So you can filter and you can play with that complete list, and post to that when you go back to your bulk operation for delete, simply click on bulk delete and download that sample file and input within the sample file the UPN name of these users, and then simply upload. So in my case, I have already created a bulk users UPN name which I wanted to delete. So I'll simply open up that file. You see here, so this is what the sample. So I'm not changing anything on the sample file. If you see here, the sample file is version v1.0, which remains the same, and the sample name here, instead of that, I have actually inputted all the user accounts that I wanted to delete. So simply I'm going to input this file. I don't want to save anything, and simply go back here and import the accounts for bulk user delete, and the file is validated successfully. I need to give here as the confirmation as yes, so it's going to delete. That's it. It's going to delete all the accounts that we have created earlier. We can see here the status is successful, and I can download the file information which talks about the delete process, how many user accounts got successfully deleted, all that information also I can check out here. And if I just go back here, so this is the account which has been successfully deleted. And if I just go back to the Azure portal, and if I do refresh, I should be able to see only few accounts now. So this is how it's going to work for the bulk delete option, which can work from directly from Azure portal. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you for watching this.